Hello guys, for today video guys, I'm plant this one. What is this? Spring onion. Oh, magtanim ako ng spring onion. Some people in the market throw already this one, but I get because I want to planting this one. I asked and then I give this one as to. Ano? Gipangayo na ako, di ba? Kay akong itanom. Dili ako nangayo, akong bana di ay nangayo ano kay itanom. Ilabay na ni nila, so amon nang gipangayo kay arong so naaday ko yung mga I have a pot here already I put soil, so this is a beans already grow, and then now I planting this one. I plant yeah. I planting this one here. See? Chut. 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 So, gahi ra na to gining bis ini ah. My husband said, give me that one. I want to planting in the house. Oh, di nagplanting nami in the house. This one. Make it like this, like this, like this. Ow. Planting. Oh. Like this. Make it planting like this. Oh. Really nice. There. Still have here. Something like this. Finish, so I have to get again. I have still I have there, so I get some. I get it some again. Magoy dying. It's dying. So now I go back at home. I get some spring onion. I get some spring onion, and then you know I have a see this one. This is lemongrass. I planting this one over here. Plant this one here. For growing this one. So I have to go back in the house. I get some spring onion. I get some spring onion. So we still have here while I cooking fish. Okay. I cooking fish, and then now what you know what will I do? So you see this one, this is the spring onion already throw in the market, but I still this one I get this one because I have I have to planting this one. planting this one. I have to planting this one again. This is still can't use. When I cooking a fish, I put this one too. So now, already here. Then I go back. I go back there. Okay, let's go. I go back over there. Semi. Okay. See this one? This part already have soil because before, if you remember, I go over there and then I put soil. So say now I put this one. See, okay. It's okay now. See this one. Oops. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.